Hello, today in class we will solve a linear equation, and in this equation we will find one variable. When will we be given the other variable? The equation is as follows: 7x's plus 2y's minus 14 equals 0. And we need to find the value of y if we're given a pair of numbers 1 and y. If you see this task, in this task, we need to find the value of y if x equals 1. What do we need to do? The point is that if we're given a pair of numbers that is the solution to this equation, then in order to find y, we need to substitute the value of x that is given in the condition. Therefore, instead of x, I substitute 1. Once again, I remind you that if you have a pair of numbers written down, which is the solution, then that pair of numbers is written as x and y values. The x value always comes first and the y value always comes second. I want to draw your attention to the fact that writing down the solution will apply in any equation. Linear, quadratic, cubic, logarithmic equations, trigonometric equations, always the pair of numbers will be written in that exact form. So let's solve our equation and find the value of y. To do this, instead of x, I will substitute 1. The result is 7 times 1 plus 2 times u minus 14 equals 0. And as a result, we have an equation with one variable, and we need to find the value of y. We know how to solve such equations, so I will write 7 plus 2y minus 14 equals 0. On the left side, we can immediately give similar summands. In our case, take 14 away from 7, and then we get 2y minus 7 equals 0. And 2y equals 7, and in this case, y will be equal to 3.5 tenths. But this task can be done in a different way. Recall that we used another algorithm to find a solution to a linear equation with two variables. To do this, we expressed one variable through the other variable. If our assignment is to find the value of the variable y, then from our equation 7x plus 2y minus 14 equals 0, I will express the variable y. If we need to express the variable y, I should write the following expression. I equals expression. Therefore, I leave two y's in the left-hand side. All the other summands I will move to the right side. The result is 14 minus 7x's. But we don't need two y's, we just need y. In order to get it, I have to add each summand by 2. The result is 2y divided by 2 is y. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 7x divided by 2 is 3.5 tenths of x. Now, using this notation, I can find the value of y if x is 1. Then I'll substitute 1 for x. And as a result, we get that y is 7 minus 3.5, and y will equal 3.5 tenths. Now notice, using the first method, we got y equal to 3.5, and in the second, we also got it equal to 3.5 tenths. When solving equations with two variables, you can use any method you want, the one that is most convenient for you. In the next lesson, we will solve another equation where we will be given a pair of numbers. Today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.